Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get backup code, that is your Phrase wallet, your Phrase code in your Exodus wallet. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open up the app. Now after you open up the app, wait for the app to load finish. Sorry for that, I think the network. So wait for the apps to finish loading. The app is still loading, so guys, sorry for that. So as you are waiting, if you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for joining us, and if you are returning subscriber, thank you so much for always being with us. Okay guys, so now I think it's done. So now what we need to do is click on this this boxes. So click on the boxes. Now scroll down and click on security. Don't forget guys, we are going to also get our secret code, which is the Phrase code of Exodus wallet. So now you need to click on this backups. So once you click on backups, you can see create backups. Click on create backup manually. Once you click on backup manually, you can see click on I understand and click on click on I understand. You can see fill secret phrase, click on it. So after that, just click on press and hold to refill. Press and hold to refill. Just click on press and hold, and you can see just once you press and hold and refill, you copy it somewhere. Once you copy it somewhere, click on done, and after you click on done, now you have to do all these ones. Once you do it, click on done, and which I'm not going to do all this for now, but you can just do it. Once you do it, click on done, and you have get your secret code phrase very easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.